How to add symbols on Google Keyboard. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Search button on top right corner of your screen. Then search Language. You'll find all these options pop up. Click on Languages and Input. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. After you've clicked on Languages and Input, then click on Virtual Keyboard, then Gboard. After that, you'll find Preferences on second. Simply click on Preferences, scroll down, and make sure you turn on long press for symbols. After that's turned on, you'll find symbols on your Google Keyboard. This is how to add symbols on Google Keyboard. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.